Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fairies and trolls. I'm Norby and my sister Borby. We are here to learn Lang's togather. Let's start. We learn today kitchen vocabulary. Number 1. Apron.
Apron. It is a piece of clothing worn over the front of other clothes to keep them clean when doing a dirty or messy job, especially cooking.
For example, my shirt was like a butcher's apron.
Number 2. Bread basket.
An open container in which bread is put on a table during a meal.
For example, the waiter immediately brought us a bread basket and some butter. I bought a beautiful new bamboo bread basket.
Number 3. Bowl.
A round container that is open at the top and is deep enough to hold fruit, sugar, etc.
For example, a bowl of soup, rice, porridge. Number 4. Teapot.
A container with a lid, spout, and handle, in which tea is made and from which it is served.
For example, the water began to bubble in the teapot. Number 5. Measuring cup.
A kitchen tool used to measure the volume of liquid or soiled.
For example, you will also need a measuring cup, a teaspoon, an edible spoon. If you like the video, don't forget
Like,
share,
subscribe.